Hi guys, this is Dina. Today I have with me this multi-purpose laptop stand by Striff. It's really convenient to work around anywhere. Let me show you how. This stand has multiple features that make it a great addition to your workspace. It has a ventilation stand with large cutout vents that will help your laptop from overheating when used for long hours. It can be placed in 7 different positions from 2.7 inches to 6.7 inches to make sure you remain comfortable throughout. It allows your body to relax and straightens your posture as you're no longer hunched over your screen. This even has an attached phone holder so you can use multiple devices at the same time if required. The lightweight frame is made of hard plastic that's thin enough to be folded neatly into your bag. It's extremely durable and can withstand up to 25 kilos. You can also go ahead and use this as a stand for your books or tablet. Go ahead and get one for yourself. Until next time, stay tuned.
Presenting Striff Adjustable Laptop Stand with Free Phone Stand. This stand is available in 2 color variants, black and white. It has a thin, hard plastic frame that is foldable and can be carried around. This laptop stand has large cutout vents and adjustable height options that allow air to circulate from all sides. This prevents your laptop from overheating. It has 7 height adjusting options that prevents neck pain and eye strain. The laptop stand comes with a separate phone stand that gives you the convenience to keep your phone next to you. You can place laptop weighing up to 25 kilograms on this laptop stand. Inside the box, you will find a laptop stand and mobile stand. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.